Okay, so they just switched me from room where I was just at to this freaking racist-ass room, okay? Since I'm black, they put me in a room with cameras. Look at that. They watching me and shit. And they got chewed up damn cabinets. They got dirty floors. They got ripped up walls. What is going on? And look at, worst of all, look at my face. Look at my face when I talk. Worst of all, they got a grandpa book, a black book. You know what that means? Do you know what that means? That means, because I'm black, they put me in this community. With cameras, dirty floors, dirty cabinets, chewed up cabinets, look like a dog had shitted on it and chewed on it. And then they put me here with a Jemima book. Like, what's going on? It's seriously racist. Shit. This is bullshit.